Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to obtain an API key from OpenAI. So first, open your preferred web browser, search for platform OpenAI, and open the OpenAI platform website. Now in this page, you'll need to log into your specific account. And once you're logged in, from the left-hand side, you need to go ahead and click on the API keys option. Now select the create new secret key, then select your project and also set your permission. Then select create secret key, which is highlighted in black color. This will create a new API key. Once your API key is successfully created, copy it immediately and save it in a secure location, as it will only be displayed once. And after copying, you can click on done. Please note that the API will not function until you add a credit or a payment method to your account. Choose one of the available options and you'll be ready to use your API key. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.